Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to adjust a rear disc brake on an electric bicycle. I had a problem. My front brakes were okay, but my rear brakes were gone. Absolutely zero tension in the lever. Check it out. Luckily it is a very quick fix. Standing on the right side of the bike, if you look on the inside of the disc brake, you're going to see a silver screw, nut, thing, whatever you want to call it, and you want to turn that to the right ever so slightly. When I say slightly, I really mean not even one full revolution, about a half turn. If you tighten it too much, the brake pads will unnecessarily touch the brake disc. And that's how I solved my rear brake problem. I don't know if that's the official fix, but it worked for me. Seems to be working great so far. At first I thought it was a cable tension, this guy, but that didn't fix it. So far I've been, riding around pretty safely. Alright, thanks for checking out the video. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Other than that, I'd like to say thank you to all my bike fans for subscribing to my channel. You are appreciated, and I'll talk to you all soon. Thank you. Bye. Just a quick side note, this problem came up when I was around 250 miles or so, which is pretty new into owning a bike, but I don't want to hold it against the manufacturer of this bike, which is actually Sondors, based out of Southern California. I've had a really good experience with the bike so far. I love its power, its flexibility. It's really not the lightest bike. This thing weighs, I think, 63 to 66 pounds, but I can totally foresee them making these things lighter in the future. It's my first e-bike. So far, I'm loving it. This is exercise till the microphone dies.